In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment gateway in Shopify in South Africa. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click Settings. This opens the main settings area for your store. In the menu on the left, click Payments. The Payments page will load, and this is where you manage how customers can pay you. For stores in South Africa, Shopify Payments is not available, so the setup here is done through a third-party payment gateway instead. Now scroll down until you reach the section called Supported Payment Methods. In that section, click Add a Payment Method. A dialog box will appear on screen. Inside that window, click the tab labeled Search by Provider. This changes the view so you can look for a payment provider that works in your region. The list shown here includes providers available for South African stores, including options like Paystack and Yoko. Stay on Search by Provider, then click into the search field and type Paystack. Say the name as you enter it, Paystack. Once the provider appears in the results, click the provider name to select it. After that, Shopify will take you to the provider's app installation page or into the connection flow for that payment gateway. On the app page, click Install or click Add App as that is the button you see. Shopify will show the app permissions, so take a moment to review that screen. Then click Install again to confirm. After the installation is confirmed, you will be redirected to the payment provider's website. Follow the prompts there to either create your merchant account or log into your existing merchant account. Then authorize the connection with Shopify. When that authorization is complete, you will be sent back to Shopify automatically. Back in Shopify, return to Settings, then Payments if you're not already on that page. Scroll down to the Payment Methods section and check that your new gateway now appears there. Look for the status and confirm that it shows as active. If it does not show as active, open the gateway entry and click Activate. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once the gateway shows as active, the payment connection is set up in your Shopify store and ready in the Payments section for South Africa.